Let's start from the beginning. AIF or Alternative Investment Funds. ये होता क्या है? Why is it called Alternative Investment Funds? It's called Alternative Investment Funds because it is supposed to invest in investment strategies that are not easily understood, it's complex, and it's most importantly illiquid. मतलब it's not like a mutual fund. आज पैसा डाला, कल अगर मूड किया तो पैसा निकाल लिया. You cannot do that. It is not investing in public market equities or stress, even though in India there are certain strategies which do that. But an alternative investment funds, without getting into technicalities, is where a number of large investors come together to give money to a manager who has some special skills to invest in an investment strategy which is, for want of a better word, thoda hatke. You would have heard venture capital, venture debt, private debt, real estate investing. All of these are very, very different from investing in mutual funds. इसके अलग-अलग colors और रूप होते हैं, लेकिन the investment manager needs to have the skill sets and a deep understanding of the sector in which it is going to be investing in. And because this is not investing in the public equity market, I think the words that came about was alternative investment funds. Now, who can invest in an alternative investment fund? By its definition and nature, it's supposed to be more risky. And because if it is more risky, you must have the capability and the financial resources to withstand the risk in case something negative happens. Please remember, none of these products are capital guaranteed. It is possible that you will lose money in these. And therefore, when I say an investor has to be eligible to invest in this, it also means an investor must have the capability to withstand a loss in case it so occurs, because it is a risky investment. And therefore, the regulations have mandated that an investor must invest a minimum of 1 crore or more. And hence, we at Kotak had mostly raised this capital from global institutional investors. Some of the domestic institutions are also investing in this particular sector, but very small quantities. Again, because it is risky.